Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UAVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price movement here very quickly, or I should say, makes it very straightforward. Now, before I make the next comment, keep in mind I am making this towards how the price is acted, hence price action. So from a price action perspective, this thing was a total pump and dump. I mean, you kind of just stop and let's just kind of go through it. I mean, where did all this start? It essentially started when it broke out above, this area right here. If you go back through the history, you can see that the price, struggled to get up above that 55-cent mark. But, let's be a little lenient and let's just say that the starting point was actually, 53 cents. So what exactly is a pump and dump, if maybe for the term? It's just simply where a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. And I mean, you go through the history of today, and today will be a keyword here in just a second, but go through it. The price started there and it went all the way up there. I think we can all agree that was a really, really nice move. And then the second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Like I said, today, all this happened. As in 1 day, all this happened. I think we can once again agree that this did all happen in a pretty short amount of time. And then finally, the price goes back to where it started, if not lower. So, I mean, think about it. At one point, the price was up there. Some poor souls bought. And then down it went essentially the rest of the day and actually closed even down below that 53-cent mark. So, I mean, if this isn't a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, from a trading perspective, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, these can produce some pretty interesting scenarios. There's no such thing as a guarantee. But, the price is now sitting down right around some key areas of support. So it's at least logical to wonder if this thing gets some sort of snapback, reaction to the upside. Again, I really wish trading was that easy, and I could say that because this was a pump and dump today, and then because the price is holding or, sitting around some areas of support, this thing is for sure going to bounce. Again, would it be shocking? No, but myself nor anyone else can say that will for sure happen. So keep an eye on these areas of support. I mean, if the price drops down below 50 cents, I mean, that's literally at that point putting the price down on these lows where it was well before the big move happened. So we'll see if this can kind of stabilize and give some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce to the upside. But I'm going to keep an eye on it, and we'll see how it plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.